China WELONG is a specialized company for the manufacturing, research, and service of drilling tools. With internationally advanced technology, sophisticated equipment, and excellent management, WELONG provides its customers with high-quality drilling tools and services of full ranges. Moreover, WELONG has been dedicated to research and development and application and promotion of high-end drilling tools. WELONG has self-owned intellectual property rights of DSHD, PMDS, UT series double shoulder connections, and has been taking the lead in producing PAC, AOH, and H90 drilling tools in China. Drill pipe is one of our hit products. With rich experience, unique technology, high-quality raw materi, ALS, advanced equipment, and complete quality management, WELONG has been providing its customers with first-class products and satisfactory post-sale service. Drill pipe is made from premium alloy steel in accordance to API Spec. 5DP, GOST, and NS. 1.API drill pipe, high-torque drill pipe, high-grade drill pipe, sour service drill pipe, and all other types of drill pipe are available from 2-inch through 7.5/8. WELONG has its own double shoulder connections and other premium connections, and offers cold work on threads roots, phosphalization, nitriding, or tungsten alloy plating for clients' option. Hard banding and internal plastic coating can be provided on customers' request. Since establishment, WELONG has been providing one-stop services for supplier development, inspection, management, order process supervision, quality control, customs clearance, warehousing, and transportation in China for leading companies in the international industrial manufacturing, oil drilling and production, and high-end medical fields. We have been striving to become an industry leader and help China's intelligent manufacturing lead the world.